today's video is sponsored by Recool here once more. We did a collaboration already and we are back with another one. So there we go. All right, let's get into the wig first. First of all, you get a flyer where you can follow them or check them out wherever, and we are just gonna get into this wig. It's a 5x5 closure, which I'll be rocking. Okay, I am going to bleach the knot. It also have a band, so you don't have to worry because there is a band. I love the curl pattern, by the way. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and the lace is good. This is how it looks. We are gonna go bleach the knots and then we are gonna install the wig. In the bag we receive some stuff. Receive a satin bonnet, which is so big. Welcome back to another hair review video, and today we're doing it a little bit different. I want to talk about this company because I absolutely love their hair, and we did the makeup already, so I'm about to put the wig on. But first, I personally like to style my wigs, whereas I just think it's easier, it's beginner friendly, it just makes sense. So my face is already done. Guys, but let me get my lips done first. Alright, so our lips are done, but this is the wig. It's a curly wig, so we don't have much to do. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. Let me show it to you guys. I bleached the knots, and the wig came with a band already. So the plan that I have for this one, let's try it on before I see what I want to do. I'm here thinking if I should do it glueless. Oh. Alright, we are gonna style the wig and then I will be back and we're gonna put it on my head. Let's style it first to see how we want it. I'm gonna add some makeup on this before we do so. Let's go ahead and add some powder, which is this yellowish tone. See the difference? So let's just add the makeup to it. Alright guys, this is how the wig looks. It is glueless. I think I'm gonna use the band and I'm gonna cut the band and then stitch it again. I think it's a little bit too loose for me, and that's the band that comes with the wig, so I didn't have to add any band to it, but I will cut it because I need it to be a little bit more snug. But this is how it looks. I did add some baby hairs and wet it. I was waiting for it to dry a little bit more. I went ahead and cut some as well, so I think it's perfect now. Once it is dry a little bit more, I keep doing this, then it will be a little bit more poofy, but it's real cute. Easy to manage because all you need is water, and the pattern, the curl pattern stays, so that is something that is really good. If you guys love this type of curl, then this is the wig for you. So go and check the description box, which is in this video, and you'll get the link to this ear. You don't have to worry about searching for it. Just click the link and the hair is right there. You can make a purchase. You can make it glueless. I just take the clips off and that's it, and just fix the front, cut some of it, fix it, and that is it. It already comes with the middle part, so it's really a beginner friendly wig, something that you don't have to worry about curling. Just get some water in a spray bottle and that is it, and it looks good. But I want you guys to grade this wig. Do you guys like this wig on me? I want you guys to leave it in the comment section and let me know, and we go from there. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out Recool Hair. Purchase this wig. There's other wigs that this is a third collaboration I'm doing with this company, and I really like the quality of the hair, so that's something really good. So you guys need to check them out. So thank you for watching.